Yo, what's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Fantastic. The market's still looking good. We're kind of on the edge of a knife. We're wondering, are we going to have a green weekend or are we going to have a red weekend? So far, it has been green. The only reason we're seeing XCN and Swift in looking deep in the red is because they pumped so hard over the last 3 days. It's a minor correction. I mean, I would be more than happy to, if we go to the weekly, look at them. XCN up 128%, Swiftcoin up 63.9. Go to the month, like they're big up on the month as well. So I'll take 129% up and 63.9% up on the week, and a 19.5 and 17 and 18% down on the day. I'll take that any day of the week. Not a bad DC opportunity on either one of them, to be honest with you. Onyx Coin, like I said yesterday, it hovered around that 2 cent level. It's still at 2 cents, so not bad. Not bad. Anyway, let's have a look across the market. What do we need to see on the daily close today for continuation to the upside? We're going to get into it, guys. But first, let's have a look at what's going on. Jasmy continuing its trend to the upside, up 17.7% on the day, 52.3% up on the week, 19.4% up on the month, but up or down 33% on the year. We are up 3 spots in rank to 83 with a $750 million market cap. 357 million in volume, guys. Volume has come into this market at a very, very beautiful pace, in my opinion. Swiftcoin down 18.7% on the day, up 62.3 on the week, 42.5 up on the month, and up 147% on the year. Down 43 spots in rank to 244, $149 million market cap, 30 million in volume. Losing my voice a little bit there. XCN down 19.2% on the day, up 130% on the week, up 65.3 on the month, and up a ridiculous 754% on the year. Down 13 spots in rank to 85 with a $695 million market cap, 507 million in volume. Volume still very high. And Zebek up 9% on the day, 4.5 on the week, 11.5 on the month, and down 60.5 on the year. We're up 13 spots in rank to 363 with a $76 million market cap, 16 million in volume. Very nice, very good. Yes, you like it. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. All right, so what do we need to see here out of Bitcoin? Well, we had a good close yesterday above this descending trend line, breaking this trend line and putting in a higher high than we did the 2 days before, right? Now, what I would like to see next, not only would I like to see a close above this 84K level, that would be great, but even more bullish would be a close above 85K right up here, right? We wicked above it. We got as high as 85,433, and now we're back down below it. But again, even if we closed where we are right now, guys, above 84, we're at $84,690. Even if we close right there, we are continuing an upward trend, putting in another higher high. So we have broken the downward structure. We're starting to form an upward structure. That's what you want to see. Can we continue it? That's going to be the question, right? So for now, a close above 84 or 85 would be fantastic, super fantastic. If we close back down below, because we're also closing above the 30-day SMA, which has acted as a significant resistance as well. So if we can flip that into support also, guys, very, very good sign. So that is what I will be watching for on the daily close today. All right, now, continuing on with the news, what do we have out there today? But first, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Biometric authentication, cold wallet, uncompromised security, unparalleled convenience. Decent hardware wallets set new industry standards with biometric authentication. I use them, guys. You should use them. Not your keys, not your coins. Keep your crypto off exchanges, off of hot wallets, because if you get hacked, no one's going to pay you back. Your money's just gone. It's not worth the risk. Get yourself a self custody wallet today. Use our link down below. Get a phenomenal deal. All right, what do we have? So, Brian says, shares an article with us. It says, in the future, you will hear a lot about Jasmy and AI in the US, and here's why. The Stargate project, a US AI initiative, and the interplanetary file system. Today, AI executives, now you guys will remember that this happened, right? About a month ago, I want to say, a month and a half ago. But they had announced this. AI executives have praised Mr. T's Stargate project, highlighting its significance as a massive investment impacting all of humanity. This project involves $500 billion in investments over 4 years by OpenAI, SoftBank, yes, SoftBank, Jasmy's primary bank, and Oracle to build AI infrastructure in the US, aiming to keep technology development within the country and compete with global rivals like China. But what is it exactly? Let us explore. Buckle up, because because you will hear things no one has surfaced before. The Stargate project, a summary of the key players and technologies involved. Key players: OpenAI, SoftBank, Oracle, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and ARM. Mentioned technologies involved: AI data centers. The Stargate project involves building a system of data centers specifically designed for AI, starting with locations in Texas and planned expansion across the US. These centers will house the computational infrastructure needed for advanced AI operations. Cloud computing, that is where Jasmy, actually AI centers as well, AI data centers and cloud computing is where Jasmy enters the fray. Essential for AI development, cloud platforms like those provided by Microsoft Azure or potentially Oracle Cloud Infrastructure will be leveraged to manage, process, and store the vast amounts of data required for AI training applications. Advanced models, the initiative aims to foster the development of advanced human-like language models which understand context, emotion, and can perform a wide range of tasks, enhancing AI's utility in various sectors like healthcare, commerce, and defense. Energy production. Given the high energy demands of AI data centers, part of the initiative includes discussions on producing a significant amount of electricity, possibly through emergency declarations to facilitate construction and operations of these facilities. This initiative is framed as a strategic move to maintain U.S. leadership in AI, emphasizing national security, economic growth, and competition with global powers like China. The project not only focuses on technological advancements, but also on job creation, with Trump claiming it would lead to over 100,000 American jobs. Now, the deep dive and opportunity few can understand. In the digitally interconnected world, technologies such as IoT, or the Internet of Things, blockchain, and AI are revolutionizing the way societies function. However, these advancements come with their own set of challenges, namely the need for secure, authentic, and scalable infrastructures. Without addressing these fundamental issues, the promise of these technologies cannot be fully realized. Jasmy, with its secure knowledge communicator, the SKC, and the Smart Guardian solution, offers the essential framework to ensure trust and reliability in this evolving landscape. Based on the investments SoftBank has made and their commitment to Jasmy, we can make some rather likely assumptions on the plan moving forward. It is clear Jasmy was not mentioned, but this is why you will follow me. I am mentioning it as a real possibility. The $200 billion investment by SoftBank in the United States highlights a critical alignment between technological leadership and global innovation. Jasmy is part of the Society 5.0 concept, and it envisions an integrated world where digital and physical space merge seamlessly to create smart cities, autonomous systems, and efficient ecosystems. Jasmy's technology acts as a backbone to this vision by addressing core issues: data security, scalability, and transparency, and decentralization. Jasmy's core innovation, a game changer for global technology. Jasmy's contributions are not merely complementary, they are foundational. Here's how. The SKC. It revolutionizes the way decentralized networks manage data by guaranteeing authenticity and IoT security. This is crucial for technologies like autonomous vehicles, smart grids, and healthcare IoT, where data reliability can mean the difference between success and failure. The Smart Guardian. By incorporating edge computing, Jasmy's Smart Guardian enhances both security and efficiency, latency reduction, enhanced security, the IPFS, and decentralized data management. By leveraging the interplanetary file system, Jasmy ensures data permanency and sustainability. Um, Blockchain infrastructure for trust and decentralization. Jasmy's blockchain-based solution, decentralized control, empowering individuals and businesses. This is particularly relevant for cryptocurrency ecosystems, transparent governance. Jasmy's mycelium of digital transformation. Jasmy operates as the unseen yet vital infrastructure connecting and nourishing the global technological ecosystem. Much like mycelium in nature, I don't even know what that is, hidden yet indispensable. It enables secure, transparent, and efficient communication across uh, dis, 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 man, disparate systems, disparate, anyway, IoT ecosystems remain vulnerable to cyber threats. Blockchain networks cannot advance widespread trust, and AI systems lack secure data pipeline necessary for large-scale adoption. The foundational role is critical to the success of Society 5.0 and broader global vision of interconnected systems. The global impact of Jasmy's technology. For individuals, Jasmy redefines data ownership by giving users control over their personal data. This not only ensures privacy, but also enables monetization opportunities, empowering users in a decentralized economy. For governance, Jasmy Solutions provides a scalable and secure framework for blockchain-based governance, fostering transparency and trust in public administrations. For corporations, businesses can get the full potential of IoT and AI through secure and decentralized data sharing, enhancing operational efficiency and innovation. The future of US AI. The strategic collaboration between Mr. T and SoftBank, highlighted by initiatives like $100 billion investment in U.S. projects, underscores a shared commitment to advancing artificial intelligence and blockchain technologies. This partnership aims to position the U.S. as a global leader in these domains, driving innovation, creating jobs, and boosting economic growth. Stuffy again this morning, guys. Mr. T's administration is prioritizing AI and blockchain as critical components to maintaining national competitiveness. By attracting significant foreign investments, such as SoftBank's $100 billion commitment, the administration seeks to enhance the nation's technological infrastructure, which is vital for economic progress and national security. The investment is projected to create approximately 100,000 jobs, strengthening the U.S. labor market. Furthermore, fostering growth in AI blockchain sectors align with administration's pro-business vision, which promotes a climate conducive and technological advancement in innovation. SoftBank's efforts to expand into U.S. markets, collaborating on large-scale AI initiatives, and Jasmy ensured data security and privacy, Aligning with government priorities and robust cybersecurity and trustworthy AI systems, Jasmy's decentralized platforms enable secure data exchange, fostering the development of resilient AI and IoT ecosystems. Jasmy's scalable blockchain and infrastructure support the rapid deployment of AI technologies across industries, meeting the expansive goals of the U.S. technology initiatives. There you go, guys. Big, big things to come in the future for Jasmy. I love it. You love it. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know how Binance can justify trying to delist a project like this, guys. It's out of my wheelhouse. I don't get it. Manipulation is manipulation. But listen, are you new to crypto? Do you have just like a vague idea of what your exit strategy is going to be? Do you not know how to identify where liquidity is in the market so that your exit strategies, your exit, your sell points or your sell prices actually hit, right? Do you know how to do that? Because if you do not, then there's a very strong possibility that what's going to happen is you're going to set your sell prices very, very high, because it's hard to know where you should be getting out with all of these influencers giving ridiculous price predictions for clicks. You don't know where the heck you should be getting out, right? Well, we make this easy for you, because if you start setting sell orders, we'll use Jasmy as an example, at $1 for Jasmy, well, your sell orders are quite simply not going to fill. And you're going to be left holding your Jasmy for the next cycle. And I use Jasmy as an example, but it rings true for all cryptocurrencies. Now, the reason your sell orders are not going to fill is because there's not going to be any buy orders there. For every seller, there has to be a buyer, right? Otherwise, your sell order will just sit there not filling, right? And you will walk away from this market cycle thinking you got scammed, right? And you're stuck holding these projects. Avoid these problems, guys. Join our community. We are one of the largest crypto communities out there in the space, guys. We drop education videos. We are live every single day helping you guys out with all of these questions and how to navigate this space. We drop microcap gem videos. And on top of all that, you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally for absolutely for free, right? And all of this access is free when you're a Patreon member. So come on over, use the free tools at your disposal. At the very worst, if you don't like it and you want to leave, at least you get to book a one-on-one coaching call for free, and you can get the help that you need. We can sit down privately. We can look at your portfolio. We can make sure you're pointed in the right direction. Make sure you're not holding dead projects or projects that are not really going to get you great ROI. Make sure you're not over diversified in the space, because what you're trying to do here is make life-changing wealth for you and your family, right? So let's make sure that your portfolio is in order. Let's get you booked in for a one-on-one coaching call, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.